Good morning, my name is Glenn Dodge and my personal safety commitment is to always be aware of my surroundings. I am an AMT student with MoFame at the State Technical College in Missouri. Today we're going to be talking about the circuit we've been designing for our motor control class. The circuit is designed with the purpose of turning on and off the motor and with a running light to show that the motor is on at the use of a start and a stop switch. If we look at the circuit diagram, we can see how this works. And I've done a personal edit of my own, which I will explain later. First, we have the power from X1 going to here, and as we can see, this is normally open, so this circuit is not on. When we hit the start button, it will power the coil, which will turn this into a normally closed circuit. It will also turn that into a normally closed as well, which will turn on the light and the motor. Until we hit the stop button, which will disconnect from the coil, this will open back up and the light and the motor will turn off. Now in this schematic, I did some troubleshooting because it wasn't working as intended. The moment we plugged it in, the motor would turn on because that was a normally closed. So we wanted it to work so the moment we hit the start button, it would turn on. So we switched that to a normally open contact so it would work as intended. As we can see here, when we hit the start button, the motor will turn on, and the light will also turn on as well. If we hit the stop button, it will also turn off as intended, and you can hit the stop button as many times as you want. You can hit the start button, and it works as intended. The reason why we have a light running instead of just having the motor running is in case the situation where if the motor is out of sight or in another building, we can tell by the light that it has to be running, given that it's built correctly. We have it running through two normally open contacts on the relay. A lot of this is still in the process of building, but this is just a basic control circuit that we have going on right now, and that is basically just the function of the circuit.